Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the camshaft position sensor on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, please do not waste your money until you watch that video. We'll explain how it could be an easy fix, what you need to check, how to test the camshaft position sensor. And by the way, after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So for the camshaft position sensor, guys, before we start, now things we want you to check. First, make sure the connector is plugged in. Make sure it's not contaminated with engine oil. If you have a leaking valve cover gasket or other gaskets, even leaking camshaft position sensor can cause buildup of oil in the connector that can prevent it from working correctly as well. If you want to see how to test the camshaft position sensor on a car, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. Come to explain which fuses and relays we need to check now. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that is, guys, called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do here now, okay, specifically, we need to go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side right here. You see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. Release them, lift the cover up, and you're going to find, okay, a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check multiple fuses for engine management. There is very limited information exactly which one is for the sensor, but check all of them. Most likely one of them will be for that sensor. We need to, guys, first start checking fuse number 20 right here. Then you need to check fuse 21. After that, you're going to switch to fuse number 37 and fuse number 38. Then you go to 41, 42, 46, 52. And here under that relay you have another fuse, that's fuse number 53. You need to check that one too. And you need to check relay 66. Those are usually the main relays fuses that we check for that sensor if we have problem with it. So, guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.